Hello guys! So, nandito pala tayo ngayon guys sa department store guys. Mag-shopping tayo guys. Kasi nakalay sila ng konti ngayon guys. So, nabudol tayo guys. So, ito yung pinamili natin guys. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like to my YouTube channel.